Hi guys, this is HARTKE based attack 2 preamp. Originally it was very low output. My friend gave me to check, so I check it there. You see there's a lot of SMD capacitors both inside and outside of the boat. A lot of SMD caps. These caps are likely to damage leakage very often, except for these very big ones. These are good. There you see there's a 10 microfarad. These little ones are 10 microfarads. Some are 1 and some are 2.2 microfarads capacitor. The other side of the boat as well, too. A lot of capacitor. I checked and so many leakage. Yeah, can you see? You can test it with only ESR meter. After painstakingly replacing all of these capacitors except these big ones, finally it was restored. All okay. And the effect signal is much more louder than bypass signal. Originally there's a very low both effect or not effect signal. Everything okay, and it's very hard to replace these ones. Now it is okay. I don't know any of you guys in your country replace a new boat, or you repair just like me. HARTKE supports very little spare parts. Okay, that's all folks. Thank you.